Okay, update day. Update. And it was actually really not that exciting. I got a Falcon bundle. Yeah, I already got a Falcon, so, you know. Whoops. Then we got the Beta Party. Or, I say beta, I think it's beta, but I say better. So, Beta Party. So, you get all those faking betas. Summer Carnival. Summer Carnival is still going strong. Make sure you check that out. Mushroom Hut. Okay. Yeah, I never really decorated my Mushroom Hut. I probably should. But yeah, that's cool. But I don't understand where it says special wallpapers and floors. I could not find any in the shop, but maybe it's just the ones that you already have. Okay. Jama's Alpha has begun investigating. There's something strange about the Arctic Wolf statue. We'll go have a look in a minute. And then you've got this weekend, Wild Weekend block party. You can go get all these yummy items. So I'm actually going to make a barbecue den, like a feast. But first, let's go. No, we will go by... Nope. Change your mind again. Let's go look at this statue. So it's the armor statue. So let's go quick look at that. I hope I'm going the right way. I don't actually really hang around in here, so let's have a look. Have a look. Oh my gosh, there's paper. Was that paper there before? Oh. Was this here? I don't know. Didn't Arctic Wolf stand alongside Direwolves and Sabertooths? Ooh, it seems strange that Arctic Wolf's statue would stand in the heart of this. Oh, yeah, I guess. Why not a saber or a dire? It looks as if the lonesome animal was watching over the temple and all the. Ooh, okay. Okay. Right. Is there anything changed on it? Nothing's changed on it. Okay. Wow, okay. Okay, so that's interesting. Okay. So papers and oh, okay, yeah, wow, okay. Right, I will stop saying okay now. Let's go down here. I'm gonna go get some of these barbecue items. I'm just gonna call them barbecue items. So let's have a look. Oh, I spent all my diamonds. How much diamonds? Oh, 32. I was just starting to build them back up. Well, unless they only cost one each, right? Can't change any colours. Ooh, a saucy chair. Okay, I think I might just go with the... Actually, the white was cool. Let's go with the white. Buy that one. Yes, I'm very sure. A mustard chair. Ooh! Okay, I might match it again. No, I'm gonna go black. With that one. Yep. And the table. Quick! Only 4 days left. Okay, and that one. I really hope it gives me a hot dog in my den. What has a lolly basket got to do with any of this? Oh, it's a block party, isn't it? Actually, yeah, block party. Let's have some lollipops. Oh, a bag of buns. Are they going to give us like salt and pepper shaker hats? Maybe that will be the rim. Oh, look at my salt shaker hat. Okay, and that's it for that. What do we got? Anything here? Nopees. Nothing in here. Nope. What about in our shop? New shell bracelet, tortoise dress, and a bright idea. Ooh, I could have a bright idea with a dress. Very nice. Okay, let's go home. Ah, beautiful. I put on cafe before because I wanted to do this. I'm just going to lock my den because it just caused lag. Okay. So. Oh. It's mixed the match, isn't it? It's like lollipops with... What are these meant to be? Just... Like... I'm gonna put them as like a walkway... thing. Like... Look at my lamp. Oh, they're not lamps. Why do I keep thinking they're lamps? They're not lamps. Okay. My buns. I'll sit them on my bench. Because I'm going to put my barbecue here. Oh, okay. Where's that gonna go? Oh, beautiful. Yep. So my buns with my barbecue. And my... I'm gonna put my sauce table. Maybe I should block my fridge. What way does it face? Let's have a look. Maybe you walk out and then you put your sauce. No. 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 You can just go over my sink because I really don't need a sink in here. Okay. So we've got our barbecue area. Then we're gonna put our... Whoa. Giant lollipops. That's gonna be greeting the people as they come in here. Take a lollipop. They're really giant. I'm gonna buy another one from there actually. Oh! Another free tip. Oh, that's... Okay... What do you look like that way? Where do I put you? Oh, you're like a little... Oh, okay, yep. You're gonna go there. It's pretty big. That's pretty good. I don't like you now. I don't like you there. Oh well. Actually, I just don't like it there. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna replace this chair. Oh, it's too long. That'll look silly. But you know what? If I do that, and then I get... I don't even know if they're called poplins. No, maybe I'll just type in that. Okay. Oh, no. Just type in plant. Oh. No, can't spell. Can't spell. Can't spell. Yes, I can. If I put that like there. It was good if you sat behind, yeah, like that. Get that one. Over here. There. Then you go there. Then you will never know what was there. We've got our cash register. And that leads. Yep, that's good. Okay, so then we've got our saucy chairs. Little mustard chair. And our saucy chair. Oh, I wish you could have turned them the other way. Oh well. Let's go on there now. You're dining here. What table do we have? Oh, is that the table? Oh my god. Oh, it's mini. That is so mini. It could have been, that could have been a lot bigger. Sit on my bun. Sit on my buns. You can eat my table. Wow, I don't like that table. That's really... okay, so that's my barbecue done. Over there. Oh, we best be fixing these walls. Nope. Ew, that's gross. I need something fruity. Slimy food. Well, it's a block party, so party. Ugh. Ugh! It's even worse. Okay, I kinda like that. I know, I'm gonna do like the food. What's the sweet yellow sweet one? Ah! It's not like the floors. Ah! Oh, I think maybe moon dirt, or whatever it's called. Okay. Rainbow, that's party? No, not party enough. China tiles are horrible. Oh, that's horrible. Okay, this is party. Yay, party! And I'm gonna go with... I think this floor. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. What does the grass look like? That could work as like outdoors, but bleh. I think I'm gonna go with that one. I don't know why I want webs on my floor, but it's gonna be that one. Yeah. Okay, welcome to my block party. Grab, so you can't even grab anything? Doesn't give you anything, you can't make anything. I'm going to sleep in my bun. Ew, saucy feet. Look, it won't even let me grab anything, that's very disappointing. Okay, one more thing is this. So we go here, and we go to the mushroom hut. New secret store item. And guess what it is? It's actually really disappointing. Really disappointing, actually. It's just up here, and you click on the... Yes, it is a cardboard couch. Fine, I'll buy it. Yes, cardboard couch. Do you know what I'll do? I'll put it right as you walk in. Welcome to my cardboard couch. There. If you ever wanted to sit on cardboard, there you go. Okay, now quickly go to the mushroom den. This is what it is. I already had it. Said I haven't really decorated it. It's not very... It's cool, but I don't know. It's very round, so when you decorate, everything's very square. So it's like I tried. Yeah, but yeah, that's cool. I might just fill it with pet frogs. Have a frog party. And then you got your little lily pad here. And that's about it. And that's it. Wrapping it up. Okay. That was it from the news. Yep. So yeah, who knows what's going to come of that Arctic wolf in the ancient, what's it called? Balush. Yeah, so that'd be exciting. Mystery of the statue. What could it be? Hopefully a new adventure, but it's just so weird it's revolved around the Arctic wolf. Maybe an Arctic adventure. Who knows? Anyway, I'm off. That's it. Ciao, guys.